our funded and focused feature. As a woman facing crises, you've carried families, managed other crises, stretched every dollar, and kept home alive through harder storms than this. Now it's time to use that same fire to rebuild, not just emotionally, but financially. Becoming funded and focused isn't about perfection, it's about motion. You rebuild one call, one invoice, one brave decision at a time. You get funded by using your gifts. You stay focused by keeping your goals in sight, even when the ground still feels shaky. You are not waiting for rescue, you are rebuilding in real time. So take the next step, send the message, make the sale. The woman who takes action today is the woman who gets paid tomorrow. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.